Hello Ritik sir, how are you sir?
Shivam, I'm fine.
So
What
means
about you? Had mentioned you having some tension. May I know what kind of
like
it?
you know
Good
that-
morning, my dear.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. So, my dear, today I'm gonna teach you how to talk in English. Because if you know how to talk in English, you can learn. If you don't know, you can learn. So, my dear, I don't know who are watching you. But today I want to teach you really how to talk in English. I have selected two students. You can meet Raja,
Rank.
Rank,
Yes sir.
yeah, Rani.
I am Rank.
Rank. Okay, so I think it's not Raja and Rani, it's not Radha and Rani, it's a game, it's a speaking. And what's your name, sir?
Ritik Chauhan.
Ritik Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan from? You are from Prithviraj Chauhan family.
No, sir.
So from where are you?
I'm from UP.
Okay, UP. So today he said I'm not from Prithviraj Chauhan, right, family, and I'm a Ritik and I'm from UP. And he said like this. And today what we are going to discuss?
Pair talk.
Pair
Non
talk.
pair talk.
Non-pair talk. And today Ritik and what's your name?
Shivam.
Shivam.
Yes, sir.
And today what we are going to play?
We are going to play the pair talk, non-pair talk.
Non-pair talk. So my dear, they know in each other. Ritik knows Shivam and Shivam knows Ritik. In each other they know, but they want to tell you how to talk in English. Please watch complete video. If there is any error, please forgive. Because we are the human and we can do mistakes, and me too also, and you too also, right? So let's
Hello Ritik sir, how are you sir?
Shivam, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also good. So what about your family sir?
Each and everyone is doing fantastic. So Shivam, I just want to know from your end, how's going your life?
My life is going like smooth. I don't have any type of tension, but regarding something I have tension. What about your?
My life is very fantabulous. It's going very smooth. Even I'm just doing my job. Even I'm preparing for my government exam as well. And even I'm just doing well fun as well. So means you had mentioned you having some tension. May I know what kind of
like
it?
you know that the competitive exam have lot of tension. Like you have that like the government exam tension. I have also some type of tension.
Okay, so if you don't mind, may I know for what kind of exam you are preparing for?
I am preparing for JEE mains.
JEE mains.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your dream? What do you wanna be?
DU, Delhi University. So DTU, Delhi Technical University. I want to go there because in that college, you know that the BTech is very much famous and very much good. You said you are doing so much fun at where?
Yeah, at where? At my home with my family, with my friends, my colleagues, even in my institute as well, because they all are my family. So whenever I'm having a spare time, so I love to spend time with them here and just do fun. For example, if I at my home, so I'm just like to do sing a song and just do dance with my family.
So you can sing a song?
Of course, yes.
Yes. If I get the time, I will try to listen you.
Sure. Whenever you're having a spare time, so definitely you can come with me and I'll sing a song and you can listen properly.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Thank you for that. And the second thing, what about your preparation? How is going on?
Oh, about my preparation, so it's going quite bad. Means
What happened, sir?
nothing. It's serious because I'm just doing a job I already mentioned, so I don't have that much time to prepare to give time towards my preparation. So, but I'm consuming a little bit time towards it. So, but it's okay. So, I just want to know from your end. So, had you completed your schooling?
Yes, I had completed my schooling.
Okay.
Like the past year, you know that in the 2024, I have
Okay.
completed my 12th class.
Okay, what was your stream?
Like science stream.
Science stream.
I have chosen a science in my 10th, so
Oh.
11th class.
Okay, that means you're a brilliant guy.
Not that much brilliant, but I have knowledge of some things about the
Okay.
science and something about the bio and lot of things I have knowledge.
Okay, why you choose only JEE? There are several sectors are there. Means most of the student who are taking the arts science means science arts. So at that time, just they are born to become a doctor, that kind of things. But you choose that.
Like I haven't chosen the bio in my 11th. I have
Okay.
chosen the maths. That's why I have to go toward the JEEs. If I have chosen the bio in the 11th, so I can do the NEETs preparation also. And let it be. What's about your life?
Oh, it's fantabulous. I already mentioned about it. May I just know from where do you belong?
I belong from UP, like in Amethi.
Okay,
It might-
UP.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm also too.
Yes, I heard you also belong from UP, but I didn't know exact where.
Okay, actually, I'm from the UP at Aligarh. Have
It's a
you-
quite famous place for its colleges.
Yes, definitely. That is famous for AMU, Aligarh Muslim University.
Yes.
That is famous.
One of
for-
my friend also studied there.
Okay. Okay, so it's means you are aware about it, about
Yes,
the.
I have awareness toward your place,
Okay.
but not that much because I haven't visited at a once in my life.
Okay, that was fantabulous. Whenever if you have a time, so come with me and I'll just be you and me. We will both go there and we'll just do fun.
Okay.
Definitely.
So apart from the jobs, what your lifetime goals?
Lifetime goals.
Like, yes.
Okay, what I want to be. So my short-term goals is that to be happy in my life, right? So.
Do you love to be like traveling?
Most I love to travel almost whenever I already mentioned means what is this is also come once in the factor of my happiness or of fun. Whenever I have a spare time, so I have a bike, so I just pick it up and just ride a bike. That is give me a next level, the experience, the happiness. If you don't mind, so may I know about your family? How many
So
members
in my
are
family
there?
there is 6 members.
Okay.
My mother, my father, and two elder brothers and one younger sister, and including me, there is 6 members.
Okay, so you had crossed your 18 years or not?
Yes, I have.
Okay,
have.
so recently did you give the vote?
No, I didn't have the Aadhaar. Sorry, what we call the voter ID
Voter
cards.
ID card.
That's why I applied for that particular thing, but I didn't get on time.
Okay.
I get on the yesterday.
Oh shit. Means right now it's very fantabulous if we are just casting the vote, or it's literally fantabulous and the good experience as well. And as a citizen, it is.
I don't know
important
when
as
I
well.
get the time to cast my vote.
You should apply for the documents definitely.
I have applied. I have got the voter ID card also, but I didn't know when I got the time, when I got that opportunity to give the votes toward the Delhi politics.
Definitely, don't worry. You are very curious to cast the votes. Definitely,
Yes, I'm very curious
Okay.
because I haven't cast any type of votes toward any type of political party.
Okay.
I want my party to be win.
Okay, that was very amazing. Definitely, don't worry. In future, you will whenever you having a documents, and definitely will cast the vote. Don't worry, it is a good sign. But if you don't mind, if you are familiar with it or feel comfortable, so may I know what do you like to do?
In which sector or in which
Anything
thing?
means where do you think yes I'm comfortable with it? The most adorable activity from your end.
I think the traveling. I also
Traveling.
love to traveling because I covered 2 states. First is my hometown. Second
Okay.
one is Uttarakhand. I covered the Haridwar, Rishikesh. That's a fantastic
The
place.
Devbhoomi, I know.
Yes, that's a fantastic place.
Okay.
There you have seen the real meaning of life. You get to see there.
Okay, so what kind of experience you had explored over there? So what's your experience over there?
My experience was very much good because I take a bath around 1 o'clock.
Night?
In night.
Or in a winter?
In a winter.
How is it possible, brother?
At the November.
Okay, that was so
Because
unexpectable.
at that place there is no one to give us shelters.
Okay.
So that's why I have to take the bath at the night so I can move toward the other places.
Okay, you went there with your own self or by someone else as well?
No, me and my brothers.
Oh, your brothers as well?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
cousin brother.
No, my real brothers.
Okay, I know about Sandeep.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. So have you do fun over there?
I do lots of fun there.
Okay, that was very fantabulous. Okay, so if where do you see yourself means if after 5 years means you are preparing for your JEE, right?
Yes, yes.
So where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I think I am seeing myself holding a degree of BTech.
Okay, and then what will you do?
I think after that I will do a job for 1 year. After that I will make that much amount so I can travel more.
Okay, travel means
Yes.
basically you want to earn money or do whatever just for only traveling, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can say that I want to be the explorer of the world because I don't want to be working in a type of a cabin, just working over there 30 years and getting the pensions. It would make your life totally
Worst.
like you can say that.
Definitely, but it's somewhere it's needable as well. Means most of the people are doing it, but it's okay. It's your life. Just don't take it in a grantly, I would say. Okay.
What's your thought on about the southern part of India?
That's very amazing. Means I also want to visit over there, but whenever I have a time as well as the money factor impact a lot whenever you have to visit anywhere. So at that time money is most important. Thank you. So hopefully guys you had enjoyed our video. So definitely keep watching it, do subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.